Now make sure to reset the oil life indicator. So turn your key 2 clicks right before you'd engage the starter, and then go to the menu, and you're going to hit it until you get to not the trip fuel information. Hit it again, vehicle information menu, that's what you want, and then we'll turn our indicator till we get to remaining oil life. Now I'm going to push this reset button. It says, are you sure you want to reset? Bring this up to yes. Again, press this button. 100%.